소위 가진 자들만이 누릴 수 있다는 스위스의 고급 리조트. 주인공 레지나는 휴가 즐기기에 여념이 없었고
Sylvia, I'm getting a divorce.
What? From Charles?
He's the only husband I have. Tried to make it work, really, I have,
But what?
can't explain. It's just that I'm too miserable to go on any longer.
But I don't understand. Why do you want a divorce?
Because I don't love him, and he obviously doesn't love me.
With a rich husband and this year's clothes.
I loathe the whole idea of divorce. But if only Charles had been honest with me, that's all I ask.
능력 있는 남편 덕에 호사로운 삶을 누릴 수 있었지만 문제는 남편에 대해 아는 게 전무하다는 사실.
Does he belong to you?
It's hers.
He was throwing snowballs at Baron Rothschild. Do we know each other?
Why do you think we're going to?
I don't know. How would I know?
What's your name?
Peter Joshua.
Oh, mine's Regina Lambert.
그렇게 레지나는 근심만 한가득 끌어안은 채 파리라는 현실로 돌아올 수밖에 없었는데요.
Goodbye, Sylvie, and thanks.
When you get your divorce, are you going back to America?
Well, don't you want me to stay?
If you went back and wrote me a letter.
You could have the stamps. I'll get you some here, okay?
Okay.
그런데 모든 가구와 집기는 물론이고 그 어디에서도 남편의 모습이 보이지 않아 당황할 수밖에 없던 그때
Madame Charles Lampert, I'm Inspector Edouard Grandpierre of the Police Judiciaire. Would you be so kind as to come with me, please? Well, madame.
남편은 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었죠.
We discovered your husband's body lying next to the tracks of the Paris-Bordeaux railroad line. He was dressed only in his pajamas. Do you know of any reason why he might have wanted to leave?
Leave? No.
Your husband possessed a ticket of passage. He sailed for Venezuela this morning at 7.
I'm very confused.
He was American, your husband?
Swiss.
His profession?
He didn't have one.
돌이켜보면 남편의 외적인 매력과 부유함을 쫓아 결혼한 만큼 그에 대해 아는 게 사실상 제로에 가까웠고
Les effets de Lampert. On Wednesday last, your husband sold the entire contents of everything. In dollars, $250,000. The authorities in Bordeaux searched his compartment. They did not find $250,000. These few things are all that was found in the train. One wallet containing 4,000 francs. One agenda. His last notation was made yesterday. 5 p.m., Jardin des Champs-Élysées. Why there?
I don't know.
One ticket of passage to South America. One letter, stamped but unsealed, addressed to you.
My dear Regina, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. Days pass very slowly and I hope to see you soon. P.S. Your dentist called yesterday. Your appointment has been changed. Not much, is it?
아무리 살펴보아도 별다를 것 없어 보이는 소지품들. 경찰은 단순 사고사로 마무리 지을 수밖에 없었는데요.
If you will sign this list, you may take the things with you.
그렇게 돌아서려던 그때
One more question. Is this your husband's passport? And this?
I don't understand.
And this?
남편은 무려 4장이나 되는 여권을 소지하고 있었던 것. 찰스를 먼저 떠나보냈다는 슬픔 대신 충격과 배신감에 몸서리칠 수밖에 없었죠.
Oh, I telephoned, but nobody answered. I wanted to tell you how sorry I am.
Did you find out?
It's in the afternoon paper.
I know there's no electricity.
What are you going to do?
Try and get my old job back at Uresco, I suppose. And I'm French into English. That's what I was doing before I married Charles. The police probably think I killed him.
Instant divorce, you mean?
Something like that.
You can't stay here.
I don't know where to go.
We'll find you a hotel.
기적처럼 나타난 신사 피터 조슈아 덕분에 그나마 한시름을 덜 수 있었고
Didn't Charles have any friends?
Don't ask me, I'm only the widow. If Charles had died in bed, we wouldn't even have him.
At least he knows how to behave at funerals. Have you no idea who could have done it?
Until 2 days ago, the only thing I really knew about Charles. Now it seems I didn't even know that.
내가 알고 지낸 찰스의 모든 건 완벽하게 조작된 것들이었을까? 범상치 않은 의문의 남자들이 계속해서 이 장례식을 찾고 있었는데요.
Next.
Mille pardons, madame.
Who's it from?
The American Embassy.
의심 반 두려움 반 대사관을 찾을 수밖에 없었죠.
Is there anything wrong, Miss Tompkins?
Miss Tompkins isn't here.
Oh, I'm sorry. My secretary must have gone to lunch. You are...
Mrs. Lambert, Mrs. Charles Lambert.
Come in, Mrs. Lambert.
Mr. Bartholomew, are you quite sure you know who I am?
You're Charles Lambert's widow, yes? I'm very sorry. Won't you sit down, Mrs. Lambert? Mrs. Lambert, Do you know what CIA is?
I don't suppose it's an airline, is it?
Central Intelligence Agency,
I
CIA.
mean, spies and all of that.
Only we call them agents.
We? You mean you?
One has to do it, Mrs. Lappert.
Just that I didn't think people like you were supposed to admit.
I'm an administrator, a desk jockey, trying to run a bureau of overworked men with under-allocated...
What's all this got to do with me, Mr. Bartholomew?
Your husband was wanted by the United States government. To be more specific, your husband was wanted by this agent. We, of course, knew him by his real name, Voss. Charles Voss. Now, I'd like you to look at this photograph.
It's Charles,
Very good. Next, please.
the man who was at the funeral yesterday.
Does the name Tex Penthollow mean anything to you?
No?
Next, please.
그가 건넨 사진 속에서는 어제 장례식에서 보았던 남성들의 과거 군 복무 시절의 모습이 담겨 있었고
I'm very much afraid that you are in a great deal of danger.
Why should I be in any danger?
You're Charles Voss's wife. Now that he's dead, you're their only lead. $250,000 Charles Voss received. 3 men wanted 2. They want it very badly.
That's Charles's money, not theirs.
Margaret, I'd love to see you try and convince them of that.
Then whose is it? His or theirs?
Ours. Voss stole $250,000 from the United States. I'm afraid we want it back.
But I don't have it.
정리하면 남편이 미정부의 돈을 훔쳤고 어제 본 3명의 남자들이 그 돈을 노리고 있다는 이야기. 내가 돈을 가지고 있다고 생각하는 만큼 조만간 위기가 닥칠 거라는 의미였는데요.
You won't be safe until the money's in our hands. Now, here's where you ought to call me. Day or night. And please don't tell anyone about coming to see us. I said, Mrs. Lambert, I'm afraid you're in a great deal of danger. Please remember what happened to your husband.
남편 하나 잘못 만나 나 역시 인생을 조기마감하게 될지 모른다는 섬뜩한 조언. 또다시 피터를 찾을 수밖에 없었고
Somebody threw him off a train. Charles was mixed up in something terrible. What am I going to do?
I wish you'd let me help you. It doesn't sound like the sort of thing a young woman can handle by herself.
Starting tonight?
Au Black Sheep Club, l'attraction, c'est vous!
지금 그녀에게 필요한 건 불안함을 날려보낼 수 있는 기분 전환이 필요하다는 판단.
No, deux et tres!
잠시나마 어린 시절로 돌아갈 수 있는 가족 오락관 돋는 레크리에이션 산매경에 빠져들 수 있었는데요. 그런데 잠시 후
Mrs. Lambert. Didn't Charles tell you, Mrs. Lambert?
Tell me what? I don't know anything.
Mrs. Lambert.
Leave me alone.
Mrs. Lambert, like last week's news, like Charles.
Stop it! Mr. Bartholomew, this is Regina Lamb. Bartholomew, I just saw one of those men. Mr. Bartholomew, can you hear me? I just...
You know what it is? You're gonna get it for me, too. It could get a whole lot worse, you know. Or your life ain't gonna be worth the paper it's print. Oh, but think it over real careful right now.
Insane, you have to...
What are you doing in here?
I'm having a nervous breakdown.
내가 처한 상황을 아무에게나 떠벌리지 말라는 바톨로뮤 씨의 충고가 되살아나기 시작. 차마 디테일한 것들까지 전부 털어놓을 수는 없었는데요.
Won't you come in for a minute?
No, I won't.
I don't bite, you know.
Now, if you want to tell me what's troubling you, fine. If not, I'm tired, it's late, and I want to go home to bed.
문제는 피터를 향한 호감이 하루가 다르게 커지고 있었다는 점. 그렇게 애써 아쉬움을 뒤로할 수밖에 없던 그때
Where is it?
I don't know.
Give it to me.
Peter! A man tried to kill me! Peter? Peter, are you all right? Peter, are you hurt?
I sprained my pride. Where did it go?
Out the window, I guess.
And close these windows after me.
Be careful.
You just took the words right out of my mouth.
Alistair! Strange man peered in the window at me, but then went away.
레지나의 객실 옆의 의문에 남성들이 투숙하고 있다는 사실을 알아낼 수 있었는데요.
That was a dumb move. You'd only let us know you was going up to a room, sneaking off up there that way by yourself.
그런데
Yes, it was a dumb move, Herman. What is the matter with you?
Want some more?
Never mind that. Did you get the money?
How could I with the 3 Marx brothers breathing down my neck? I thought we had an agreement. Now, the girl trusts me, but you just leave me alone.
We took all the chance. The money belongs to us, not to...
That of nothing is nothing. Just think about that. Make up your mind. She's waiting for me.
Don't see how another 24 hours could hurt anything.
Then he gets it out of your share. Not mine. Not mine.
정확한 내막을 파악하기란 쉽진 않지만 한 가지 분명한 건 피터가 레지나를 돕는 척 그녀의 돈을 노리고 있었다는 사실. 돈을 찾는데 일조한다면 일정 부분 자신의 몫을 받는 조건이었지만
Who is it?
It's me, Peter.
문제는 이러한 사실을 꿈에도 모르는 만큼 피터를 향한 무한한 신뢰를 드러내고 있었다는 점.
There was no trace of him. Why don't you confide in me and tell me what this is all about?
There are 3 men. He's one of them. They think I have $250,000 that belongs to them.
Go on.
That's all.
No, it isn't.
I don't know. They killed Charles to get it, but he must not have had it with him on the train. Looked everywhere, and if I don't find it, they're going to kill me.
No, they won't. I won't let them.
Peter, help me. You're the only one I can trust.
I'll help you.
이렇듯 피터가 내뿜는 테스토스테론과 자상함에 빠져들 수밖에 없던 그때
Hello?
Mrs. Lambert, it's me. The man who was in your room a few minutes ago.
What do you want?
Who is it?
The man you had the fight with.
Is Dial with you?
Who?
The man I had the fight with. Dial. That's his name. Don't trust him. Don't tell him anything. He's after the money.
What was all that about?
He said if I don't give him the money, he'll kill me.
Oh, don't take it seriously.
Words can hurt.
I know. Try to get some sleep. I've arranged to take the room next door to you. If you want anything, just bang on the wall.
난데없이 날아든 피터 역시 돈을 노리고 있다는 충격적인 제보. 온몸 가득 소름이 돋기 시작했고
Someone else.
What?
Someone who wasn't in that truck.
But it's just possible we were wrong about who killed your husband.
Mr. Bartholomew, I'm catching the next plane out of here. I'm not going to sit around for somebody to make chopped liver out of me.
Now, take it easy, Mrs. Lambert. Take it easy. I'll meet you there in 15 minutes.
All right, I'll be there.
누구 하나 마음 놓고 믿을 수 없는 만큼 결국 바톨로뮤 씨에게 도움을 청할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Allez vite, n'importe où, vite.
Sweet base of taxi.
기지 넘치는 재치로 피터를 따돌릴 수 있었죠.
Were you followed?
Yes, by Dial, but I'm beginning to think women make the best spies.
Agents.
He has a gun, Mr. Bartholomew.
No, that's not Carson Dial.
Carson?
There's only one Dial connected with this affair, Mrs. That's Carson Dial.
You mean you've known about him all along?
I didn't see any point. Dial's dead.
Mr. Bartholomew, what is all this about?
In 1944, 5 members of the OSS were ordered behind the German lines $250,000 in gold to the French underground. 5 men were, of course, your husband Charles, 3 men who showed up at his funeral yesterday, and Carson Dial. Instead of delivering the gold, they stole it, then reporting the Germans had captured it. All they had to do was come back after the war, dig it up, and split it 5 ways. Everything went smoothly enough until after the gold was buried. Then before they could get out, they were ambushed by a German patrol. A machine gun separated Scobie from his right hand, caught Carson Dial full in the stomach. Carson Dial was dead, but Scobie was able to travel. Where was I?
Carson Dial was dead.
하지만 돈에 눈이 돌아버린 찰스는 종전을 기다리지 못한 채 동료들을 배신하게 되었던 거죠.
What's this got to do with the CIO?
CIA, Mrs. Lambert. Extension of the wartime OSS. It's our money and we want it back.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bartholomew, but nothing you've said has changed my mind. I'm leaving Paris tonight.
Wouldn't advise that, Mrs. Lambert. Better consider what happened to your husband when he tried to leave. Help us, Mrs. Lambert. Your government is counting on you.
I suppose if I'm going to die, I might as well do it for my country.
Here's what I want you to do. We're anxious to know who this man is, the one calling himself Dial. I want you to find out.
Why me?
You're in an ideal position. He trusts you. You yourself said women make the best spies.
Agents. Oh, pardon.
자칫 내 목숨이 위태로워질 수 있는 상황인 건 분명하지만 다른 한편으로는 내가 모르는 남편의 실체에 한 발 더 다가갈 수 있을 거라는 기대, 바톨로뮤 씨의 제안을 받아들이게 되지만 그것보다는 어느새 내 마음 한구석을 차지해버린 피터라는 남자의 진짜 모습을 알고 싶다는 호기심 때문이었는데요.
Dial, D-Y-L-E.
Yes, Mr. Dial, I remember. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Dial. Nothing today.
Thank you.
Mr. Dial, please. You're wanted on the telephone. Mr. Dial, cabin 4, please.
결국 자신이 뒤를 밟고 있음을 드러내게 되죠.
Yes?
Good morning, Mr. Dial.
Reggie?
It's the only name I've got. How about you?
I know cat and mouse. You've got me. What do you want to know?
Why you lied to me.
For all I knew, you were in on the whole thing.
Trying to find out who you are.
But you know my name. It's Dial.
Dial is dead.
Yes, he is. He was my brother. The Army thinks he was killed in action by the Germans. But I think they did it. Tex, Gideon Scobie, and your husband.
차마 양심을 저버릴 수 없어 나홀로 반대하다가 그만 동료들에 의해 죽음을 맞게 되었을 거라는 의미.
I'm on your side. Just believe that.
도대체 누구의 말을 믿어야 하는 걸까? 더더욱 머릿속이 복잡해질 수밖에 없었는데요.
Hello? Hello?
Do anything funny or try to talk to anyone? Take the next car, please.
유일하게 피터를 탐탁지 않아 했었던 스코비의 포로가 되어 있었죠.
Very pretty. Now what? I was afraid of that.
I'll give you a chance, Dial, which is more than you'd give me. Where's the money?
Is that why you dragged me all the way up? She has it.
And I say maybe you both have it. One more time, Dial. Where is it?
Which I don't. Do you really think I'd just hand it over to you?
Step back.
Back where?
That's the idea.
If you get boy writing love thy neighbor 100 times on the side of the building.
무엇이 진실이고 거짓인지 아직 속단하기는 이르지만 한 가지 분명한 건 피터가 3명의 무리들과 무조건적인 협력 관계가 아니라는 건 알 수 있었고.
Are you really Carson Dial's brother?
Now, would you like to see my passport?
Passport? What kind of a proof is that? But at least tell me what your first name is these days.
Alexander.
Okay, Alexander. You're a new man.
I'm sorry the old one couldn't tell you the truth.
Is there a Mrs. Dial?
Yes, but we're divorced.
I thought that was Peter Joshua.
I'm just as difficult to live with as he was.
Alex, how can you tell if anyone's lying or not?
You can't.
There must be some way. Come in. Oh, here it comes, the fatherly talk. You're already a widow.
전쟁 중에도 아이들은 태어난다고 피터가 내뿜는 매력에 도무지 정신을 차릴 수 없었는데요.
Alex, I think I love you.
Hey, the telephone's ringing.
Never mind.
Put it here. Come on, take it.
Hello.
Say, I'd appreciate it mighty highly if you'd wiggle on over to room 46.
Could you give me one good reason why I should?
A little one, about 6 or 7, keeps calling for Aunt Reggie.
They've got Jean-Louis. I'll be right there.
이대로는 레지나의 입을 열 수 없다는 판단이었을까. 친구의 아들을 끌어들이는 비열한 선택이었지만 문제는 하늘의 맹세코 레지나는 돈의 행방을 모른다는 점. 치열한 공방이 계속되었고.
I want that money now.
And neither has Mrs. Lampert.
Then who does?
Suppose one of you found Charles here in Paris. Even bumped into him by accident. Threw him out the window and without bothering to tell the other two, took all the money for yourself.
Just trying to throw us off. They got it, I tell you. Why don't we search their rooms?
Well, then what are we wasting time for? Let's go.
For waiting, we'll search yours.
Not my room.
Well, Herman, you have something to hide? Then there are no objection. All right, here's my key.
결국 서로가 방을 바꿔 진짜 범인을 색출하자는 의미였는데요.
Man, it's Charlie stuff. Sure ain't nothing here worth no $250,000.
I keep telling myself deal of money, but up to now I've yet to see a penny of it.
You think maybe we're fishing up the wrong stream?
Meaning what?
Suppose one of us has it, like the man said. Now, that'd be mighty distasteful, us being veterans of the same war and all.
You know I'd tell you if I had it.
Oh, naturally, just like I'd tell you if I had it.
And that goes for Hyman, too. Naturally.
그런데 한 가지 이상한 건 언제부턴가 갈고리남의 모습이 보이지 않았다는 점.
You'd better take the boy out in the hall.
이미 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었죠.
Who do you think did it? Because I really suspect Gideon, and it's always the person you don't suspect. Alex, I'm scared. I can't think of any reason why he was killed.
Well, perhaps someone thought the 4 shares were too many.
What makes you think that this someone is going to be satisfied with 3?
That's right.
We've got to do something. I mean, any minute now we could be assassinated.
돈의 행방도 알 수 없고 쥐도새도 모르게 목숨을 잃을지도 모른다는 불안함도 적진 않았지만 그것보다는 세상에서 가장 로맨틱하다는 파리의 한가운데에 있고 나를 보디가드처럼 밀착 마크해주는 훈남이 존재한다는 사실.
Let me know what you want to eat so that I can pick out a suit that matches.
피터와의 저녁 데이트로 그동안의 스트레스를 잠시나마 날려버릴 계획이었는데요.
Yes.
Miss Slappett, Bartholomew. I spoke to Washington, Miss Slappett.
Go ahead, Mr. Bartholomew. I'm listening.
You're not going to like this, Mrs. Lappett. Carson Dial had no brother. Miss Lappett?
Are you sure there's no mistake?
None whatsoever. Please be careful, Mrs. Lappett.
I left all my drip dry dripping. Is that all right? What's the matter? Something wrong? I'll get someone to fix up my suit quickly and take you out to dinner.
Let's go somewhere crowded. I feel like a lot of people.
일순간 모든 흥이 달아날 수밖에 없었죠.
You haven't spoken a word for 20 minutes.
I was thinking about Charles and Scobie and who's going to be next. Whoever's left alive at the end will pretty much have sewn up the nomination.
What are you trying to say? That I might have killed Charles and Scobie? Oh. I can't understand you at all. You're accusing me of murder.
Carson Dial had no brother.
Oh, I can explain that if you'll just listen. Now, when I was a young man, my father expected me to go into his business. Umbrella frames, that's what he made, I suppose, but I didn't have the sense in those days to be sensible.
I suppose all this is leading somewhere.
Well, it led me away from umbrella frames, for one thing. But that left me without any honest means of support. So I began looking for people who had more money than they needed, including some they barely missed.
You mean you're a thief?
Not exactly the term I'd have chosen, but it sort of captures the spirit of the thing.
I don't believe it.
I can't really blame you now.
But I do believe it. That's what I don't believe. So it's goodbye, Alexander Dial, and welcome home, Peter Joshua.
Sorry, the name's Adam Camfield.
Wonderful. Did you realize you've had 3 names in the past 2 days?
Man's the same, even if the name isn't.
Adam Canfield is a crook, and I want to know why.
Like what I do, I enjoy my work. There aren't many men in the world who love their work as much as I do.
Is there a Mrs. Canfield?
Yes, but we're divorced.
무려 2번이나 자신의 이름을 속였고 앞으로도 계속해서 속일 가능성도 없지 않지만 문제는 그가 내뿜는 매력에서 도무지 헤어나오지 못했다는 점.
Oh, you should see your face.
What's the matter with it?
It's lovely.
I'm not hungry anymore. Isn't it glorious? Adam!
It's all right. Come and look.
생긴 건 상남자인데 어쩜 말을 이리도 로맨틱하게 내뱉는지. 그의 매력에서 빠져나올 수 없었는데요. 그런데 그날 새벽.
In the lobby? Are you out of your mind? I think it's 3:30 in the morning. You mean it? All right, I'll be right down. Wait a minute. Hey, I stole this thing!
좋은 소식이 있다며 기드온을 꿰어냈고 잔인하게 그를 살해할 수 있는 단 한 명. 의심의 화살은 나머지 생존자 텍스를 향하기 시작했고.
Yeah? Now, you listen to me, Dial. Look, I know who's got that money, man, and I want my share. Well, I ain't disappearing until I get it.
Where are you, Tex?
Come on, man. You want to find me? Well, you just look over your shoulder. From now on, I'm going to be right behind you.
애초에 숨길 생각 따위는 없었다는 듯 협박의 메시지가 담긴 연락을 받을 수 있었죠.
I think I was wrong about Tex having the money.
Why?
That means killing Gideon didn't get it for him, so he's narrowed it down to us. You've got it.
But I've looked everywhere, you know.
The airline's bag.
In the wardrobe?
Get it.
25만 달러의 존재를 알고 있는 사람은 모두 5명이지만 이 중에 4명은 이미 목숨을 잃었고 유일한 생존자 텍스 역시 돈의 행방을 모르고 있는 상황. 그렇다면 자연스레 찰스가 남긴 유품 속에 정답이 있다는 결론에 닿게 되지만
4 passports. Steamship ticket. Anything in there?
Nothing.
눈을 씻고 살펴보아도 평범하기 짝이 없는 물건들. 결국 내일을 기약할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Well, go to bed. You gotta get up and go to work in the morning.
che io ho l'onore di rappresentare in queste parti del mondo.
그런데 다음 날 갑작스런 아담의 방문을 받게 되죠.
What's wrong, Adam?
Nothing's wrong. I think I found something. Looking around Tex's room and came across this in the wastebasket.
Well, that's the receipt Grand-Pierre gave me for Charles's thing.
Last night when we went through the airline's bag, something was missing. That's an appointment book, isn't it? It wasn't there.
That's right.
Can you remember anything in it at all?
Did say something about Charles's last appointment.
With whom? Where? This may be what we're looking for.
Place or street corners. It was last Thursday, 5 o'clock, Jardin des Champs-Élysées.
기적적으로 수첩에 메모를 떠올릴 수 있었지만 문제는 이미 지나가버린 약속인데다가 그것 이외에는 다른 정보가 전무하다는 사실. 서울에서 김서방 찾기와 다를 바 없었고
It's hopeless. I don't even know what we're looking for.
I don't think Tex does either.
Tex, is he here?
Look. I'm going to see what he's up to. You stay here.
Be careful, Adam. He's already killed 3 men.
그나마 다행인 건 누구 하나 유불리를 따질 수 없는 동일선상에 위치하고 있었다는 점. 그가 눈치채지 못하게 텍스의 뒤를 밟아보기로 하는데요. 그동안 잡힐 듯 좀처럼 잡히지 않던 진실에 드디어 한 발짝 다가설 수 있었죠.
All right, where's the letter?
The letter, huh? It ain't worth nothing.
You know what I mean. The envelope with the stamps on it. I want it.
You green whore. And they was both too smart for us.
What are you talking about?
Betted all of them big eyes at you like an egg from a tall chicken. You want the envelope? There, you take it. It's all yours. You killed all 3 of them for nothing. You nincompoop.
Sylvie, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for Jean-Louis.
Oh. What's he up to?
Oh, he was so excited when he got the stamps you gave him this morning. He said he'd never seen any like them.
I'm glad. What's all this?
The stamp market. They're every Thursday afternoon. That's where Jean-Louis trades his stamp.
Good Lord, where is he?
What's the matter, chérie?
The stamps. They're worth a fortune.
What?
찰스의 약속이 우표 장터가 들어선다는 목요일이었고 얼마 전 장 루이가 다녀간 이후 감쪽같이 우표가 뜯겨져 나간 상황. 25만 달러 상당의 우표라는 사실을 뒤늦게 알 수 있었고
Jean-Louis!
Jean-Louis! Jean-Louis! Reggie!
다행히 그리 늦지 않게 발견할 수 있었는데요.
What's this? A man gave me all those for only 3. A man? Oh no, Jean-Louis. Who?
Là-bas.
Come on.
Oh, but he's gone.
Entrez.
Monsieur Félix?
Oui, I was expecting you. I knew you would come. Look at them, madame. Have you ever in your entire life seen anything so beautiful? Know them as one knows his own face, though I had never seen them. Printed in 1854.
아니나 다를까 3가지 우표 모두 어마어마한 가치를 가진 말 그대로 레어템 그 자체였던 것. 동고동락했던 동료들의 의심을 피함과 동시에 안전하게 국경을 넘을 수 있는 유일한 수단이었고
I'm not a thief, madame. I knew there was some mistake.
다행히 아무런 대가 없이 문제의 우표를 돌려받을 수 있었는데요.
Adam? Adam?
문제는 아담을 범인으로 지목하는 다잉 메시지가 남겨져 있었다는 거죠.
Hello?
Mr. Bartholomew? Tex is dead. And Adam did it. He killed them all.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Tex wrote the word dial before he died. He's the murderer, I tell you.
Now, wait a minute. Just a minute, Mrs. Lampert. You better give that to me again.
It was the stamps on the letter Charles had with him on the train. They were there in plain view all the time, but no one bothered to look at the envelope.
But listen to me. You're not safe as long as you have these stamps. Do you know the Center Garden at the Palais Royal?
Yes, the colonnade.
Yes, by the colonnade. As fast as you can get there. Hurry, Mrs. Lampert.
Reggie! Wait!
Why, so you can kill me too? You're a murderer!
Reggie, I want those stamps!
American Embassy.
Mr. Bartholomew's office, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bartholomew has left for the day.
But someone's trying to kill me.
What?
Kill me! You've got to get word to him right away. Tell him I'm trapped in a phone booth right below him in the metro.
이 긴박한 순간 바툴로뮤 씨는 연락이 닿질 않고 연쇄살인마 아담은 나를 옥죄어 오고 있는 최악의 상황. 그럼에도 특유의 기질을 발휘, 아담의 감시로부터 벗어날 수 있었는데요.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Bartholomew?
Yeah?
There was a call for you just now, Mr. Bartholomew.
Lampert. I don't know any Mrs. Lampert.
She says she's trapped in a metro station and someone's trying to kill her.
Trying to kill her? Who does she think I am, the CIA? All right, I guess you better call the French police.
문제는 그동안 미 대사관 직원이자 CIA 요원이라 믿었던 존재. 진짜 바툴로뮤 씨는 전혀 다른 인물이었다는 거죠.
Mr. Bartholomew, help me!
Reggie, stop! That man is Carson Dial. We all know Carson Dial is dead, Mrs. Lambert.
Well, you're not going to believe him. Just bring those stamps over here. He's trying to trick you again.
If you take him those stamps, he'll kill you, too.
If I'm who he says I am, from killing you right now.
Because he'd have to come out to get the stamp.
Mrs. Lambert, he wants the money for himself.
He's with the CIA. I saw him at the embassy.
That's right, Mrs. Lambert. That's right.
Oh, I don't know who anybody is.
Reggie, I beg you, just trust me once more.
Why should I?
I can't think of a reason in the world why you should.
Stop right now, Mrs. Lambert, or I'll kill you.
Won't get you the stamps, Dial. You'll still have to come out to get them, and I'm not likely to miss at this rate.
Maybe not, but it takes a lot of bullets to kill me. They left me there with 5 of them in my legs and my stomach. Mrs. Lambert, they knew I was still alive, but they left me there. In a German prison camp with nothing to stop the pain. They left me there. Mrs. Lambert, they deserved to die.
I had nothing to do with
You
it.
got the money now. It belongs to me. Mrs. Lambert, they knew I was still alive, but they left me there. That's why I had to kill them, all 4 of them. Please believe me, Mrs. Lambert, I'll kill you too. It won't make any difference. Make up your mind, Mrs. Lambert, now. All right. I know you're in there, Mrs. Lambert. Do you hear me? Come on out. I don't want to kill you, but I will. Game is over, Mrs. Lambert.
비록 바톨로뮤가 조작된 인물이더라도 5명이 빼돌린 25만 달러가 국가의 소유라는 건 달라지지 않는 상황. 우표를 미 대사관에 전달할 계획을 밝히게 되지만
Tell me to go to the embassy first thing in the morning and turn it.
Listen to me. There's something I'd like to explain.
Never mind. Excuse me, soldier. Who would I see regarding the return of stolen government money?
Well, you might try the Treasury Department, ma'am. Room 217, second floor, Mr. Cruikshank.
거액을 눈앞에서 빼앗기는 게 영 마음에 들지 않았는지 아담의 표정은 울상이 되어 있었는데요.
Do you mind if I don't go in with you? If all that money being given away might make me break out.
Mr. Cruikshank, please. My name is Lampert.
Mr. Cruikshank? Miss Lamb?
Mrs.
Yes, sir. Go right in.
Thank you. Of all the meat. Temptable, crooked.
Crooked?
You can't even be honest about being this.
We're not allowed to tell. Now, come on, give me the stamps.
Wait a minute. How did Carson Dial get an office in this building anyway?
Well, when did you meet him? What time of day, I mean?
About 1.
An office usually left open and just moved in for the time you were here.
히치콕이 만들지 않은 최고의 히치콕 영화라는 극찬을 이끌어내었고 제작비 대비 무려 4배의 수익을 거둬들이며 평단과 관객 모두를 만족시킨 작품. 수시로 바뀌는 피터의 정체와 누가 동료들을 살해했을까라는 의구심은 제법 괜찮은 몰입감을 보여주고 있었는데요. 하지만 개인적으로 60년도 더 지난 영화를 마지막까지 정주행하게 한 원동력은 결국 오드리 헵번이었다는 점을 부인할 수 없었던 작품.